Rashad Evans, at his best, is one of the most talented light heavyweights in the world today. But make no mistake about it, Chael Sonnen, he's a mad dog. He'll fight anybody. He's a crazy dude.
Chael Sonnen does not know what he has coming. He's never felt an athlete like me before. I'm a lot faster than Chael, and besides that, my stand-up is better.
Oh, my goodness! Rashad Evans!
What I look to go for is to fight. I don't believe in a feeling out process. I don't know what that means. This is an ass-whipping contest, and it's about a paycheck and the applause of an audience. That's what it's about.
Chael's got it. He's got it.
Chael Sonnen!
He wants to come and bring the action. He wants to come in right away. Okay, cool. Let's do it. We can start this fight off right away. There's going to be no safety zone for him.